How to map a network drive in Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to know the host IP of our device. For doing so, press in Windows plus R and then open or type command prompt. That is CMD. On the command prompt, type in ipconfig and you will see a IPv4 address, which is the host IP address. Make sure to remember it and then again open the Run tab. For that, press in Windows plus R, then type in 2 backslash and then copy the host name or host IP that you just saw. This should be done on the client computer and then tap on OK. This will open the network folder. If you have shared the files here, select on the folder that you want to share. Once that is done, copy the address and then go to this PC. Right click on it and then you have an option of Map Network Drive. Select the network folder as well as the drive. Copy the folder that you copied before and then tap on finish and you are good to go. So that was it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.